Hello friends, today in this video I will talk about that whether uneducated person can speak English language or not. Only the educated persons are able to speak the good English language, or if a person had never gone to school and he is willing to learn the English language, whether he can learn or not. Actually, I have seen that some people, when they ever visit abroad for job, they do job there in different countries for a long time, and when they come back to their home country, they they are able to speak little sentences of the language where they are doing the job, the language of that country. They are able to speak a little. Because I have seen some people, those don't know the Arabic language, and when they visit to Saudi Arabia and they do job there for 3 years, 5 years, after the intervals of some people, they do the job for 10 years there, and when they come to their home country, they can speak the language. Not on advanced level, but a little they are able to speak the language. They just they don't read the books, they don't do any other things, but they just listen the others people when they are talking with each others, or because they know that there is no other option except that language which they can communicate. So they come to know the meanings of the things in that language, because related to their work, they know the language of each and everything. And in this way, I think that if you are willing to learn any language and you have never been in the school, and you are interested, you are willing to go outside for job, and you want to know the language of that country, then how can you make yourself able to speak the language of that country? I think that you should talk the sentences, little sentences in that language, but there will be a teacher. Teacher is must. You should hire the teacher. A teacher will guide you how to speak, what is the translation of this sentence from your language to that language. He will make you understand what you are willing to know or learn. In this way, I think that uneducated person or illiterate person can learn the English language also, if you are willing, because this is the global language, and you find a lot of things in this language, a lot of videos. Some people are willing to watch the cricket tournaments, and their commentary is in English language, and they want to understand what the commentator is saying about the match. And in this way, you will be able to understand little sentences of the English language. I think that if you are willing to learn the English language without reading the books, or you are not an educated person and you want to improve your English language, just speak with those people who know the little language. When you speak a little, or other person will speak with you, slowly you will understand whatever he is saying. First of all, learn the little sentences, not the big sentences. And where there you find the difficulty to understand the meaning of any object or any sentence, you can ask from other person that what is the meaning of this in English language. In this way, I have seen that whenever World Cup, people sit in front of the television and they watch the matches and they listen the commentary and they understand that someone is out or someone is playing good, and how many scores are there, and what the commentator is saying. A little they understand. In this way, I think that any person who is curious, who is interested to learn the English language, he can. But what things are required? The things those are required are the dedications, devotions, and your interest toward learning the things. If you are too much interested, right now I am making the videos on YouTube. I am interested to make the videos. So on daily basis I find ideas and I speak for 8 minutes or 10 minutes on those ideas on daily basis. And I think it is very difficult to search a topic on daily routine and speak out on that topic for 10 minutes or 15 minutes. And when you are speaking on the same subject, that how you will improve your English language, and in this way you will have to speak in different topics on daily basis. So I think that it is very difficult to find the topics, but when you are interested, when you are curious to learn the things, then topics will automatically come into your mind, and you will be able to speak the language fluently for long time. Actually, whatever you speak, I think that your experience should be, your past experience will help you to speak a lot. If you are not experienced person, if you have not read the books, lot of books in your own language, no matter in English language, but in your own language, when you have the knowledge, you can be able to translate those things in English language. Right now I have read lot of books in Urdu language, not in English language. I just learned English to speak. So right now I am making the translation of those things who are coming into my mind. And when you are a beginner, then your mind translates from your native language to English language. But when you start talking on daily basis, then you automatically you think in English language. When you will think in English language, then words would automatically come out from your mouth. I think that you should think in English language, not first think or in your native language, then make the translation. It will make the problem for you. Think in English language, speak in English language, and fill your mind with a lot of vocabulary. When your mind is filled with a lot of stuff, lot of the words of English language, then whenever you speak the language, one perfect word is not coming out from your mouth, you have forgotten the English of that word, then you can use the similar word at that place instead of that word. So this technique is very good, that whenever sometimes I forget the meaning of the English of some object or something, then suddenly I use the similar word, resembling word there, because main motive is to make other peoples understand the whatever I am saying. If whatever I am saying you are understanding, then message is reaching to you, and our main motive is to send our message to you and make you understand. Hope you find this video useful. Allow me, and before leaving, subscribe to this channel so that you find our next video notification. I Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.